Hello everyone and welcome to this video. You learn how to use the measure tool in Onshape. We'll cover how to measure distance between faces, edges and points and check angles and radii and quickly validate the geometry of your design. Let's get started. I've already opened an Onshape document with a sample model ready to demonstrate. To access the measure tool, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the ruler icon. The measure dialog box appears instantly, giving you a clean interface to work with. Now simply click on the geometry you want to measure. You can select faces, edges, or even a cylindrical surfaces. The tool automatically recognizes what type of geometry you're really selecting. The measurements appears in real time. For example, select two parallel faces and it shows the distance between them. Then select a circular edge and it gives you the diameter or the radius. And finally, select two intersecting edges and you'll instantly see the angle. You can also click on any point in your model, instantly see its exact coordinates. The measure tool always report values in your documents, active units whether that's millimeter, inches or any other units you have chosen. Now let's look at how this tool can help you in your design process. You can use it to check holes diameters, radii or arc lengths for accuracy, confirm edge length or overall parts dimensions. Here are few pro tips to make measuring even easier. You can select geometries across different parts or bodies without any issues. Use Shift plus click to measure tricky or hard to reach areas precisely. And remember, the measure tool works the same way in both Part Studio and Assembly. Make it versatile across your workflow. Once everything is set, you can close the dialog box. And that's it. You now learned how to use the measure tool in Onshape. It's fast, accurate, and essential feature for verifying your designs before moving forward. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know what you like to measure next in Onshape. Thank you.